Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving above the support of $20,000 and not able to break out the next resistance. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move and we will also watch a very big bullish divergence flashed on the weekly time frame chart and a hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to start with this hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin has broken down the support of this up channel. The target was here at the bottom of the channel, that was at $17,900, but you can see that it is still not able to break down the support of $20,000. And if it will be broken down, then the strongest support we have here at $19,500, and then our next support will be here at $18,730. Because it has been breaking as a support here, as a resistance here on this short-term 1 hourly time frame chart, and the next support will be here at $17,900. And here we have already formed a double bottom before this rally. Now right now we are moving between the support of $20,000 to resistance $20,800, and you can see that Bitcoin is not able to break out this resistance. The next resistance will be here at $21,360, and it has been breaking at the resistance support, and therefore now it has flipped into the resistance once again. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here, after breaking down this falling wedge pattern, we are moving above this support of $19,500, and you can see back here in 2020 for several weeks it has been breaking at the resistance. And here back in 2017, in December 2017, it was breaking as a resistance, and right now you can see it is now again working as a nice support. And on the weekly time frame chart, we could not break it down. We are still above this support, and even this candlestick was closed above $19,500. You can watch the closing price here of this candlestick, that was $20,552, even though we were drop here at $17,592. Now here I would like to show you again that I have been already shown you that there is a bullish divergence flashed on this weekly time frame chart. We can see that while dropping here, when we touched here at this support here on 9th of May on the candlestick that was started on 9th of May, we formed this low, and the next low is lower than previous one. But if we watch here the stochastic is forming, you can see below this candlestick of 9th of May, the stochastic formed this low, and the next low, the current low, is forming higher than previous one. So there is a very big bullish divergence flashed on this chart that is giving us another confirmation that we are going to start a reversal move soon from here. And once Bitcoin will start the reversal move from here, then this previous support of the falling wedge pattern can work as a strong resistance, and after that we have this key resistance at $28,600 to start the big bull run from here. And after breaking out this resistance, there will be a very high probability that Bitcoin will also break out this resistance of falling wedge pattern very soon. Now if we switch to the monthly time frame chart from here, let me remove all these trend lines from here, then here we have a very amazing thing on this monthly time frame chart. You can see that when Bitcoin was forming this very big low here, at that time RSI was forming this low here, and then Bitcoin was forming another low here in December 2018. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI was forming another low here. And this low is very obviously higher than previous high. And if we watch RSI here, then you can see this next low is lower than previous low. The value of this low, you can watch the values here. You can watch the value is 43.83 here. And here we have the value of 44.50. That is higher than this one. So there was a very big hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart, and you can see eventually Bitcoin started the next rally from here and moved to $69,000. And now you can see after forming this low here, priceline is forming another low that is higher than previous one. And if we watch the RSI again here, then you can see that RSI again is getting exhausted, and right now the value is 41.87 on the monthly time frame, and previously here when it formed this low, the value was 43.83. that is higher than the current value of RSI. That is also indicating that now we are having another hidden bullish divergence on this monthly time frame chart that can lead to a very big move from here. And over that, we can also observe that when we were forming this hidden bullish divergence back in January 2019, then you can see the stochastic was completely oversold on this monthly time frame chart. Right now, that is happening once again. The stochastic has entered completely with the orange line and with the blue line in the oversold zone. And this is happening for the second time in the history of Bitcoin. From 2011, we have this data available, and we can see it is happening for the second time in the history of Bitcoin, and that can be a very big signal to a very big powerful bullish reversal move from here, and indication for another bull run. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.